Story: Emma's love for fashion. Emma is a young woman who lives in a small town. She's 20 years old and she has a big dream. Emma loves fashion. She is passionate about clothes, colors, and styles. Every day, she thinks about new outfits and new looks. Emma works in a bookstore during the week, but in her free time, she spends hours reading fashion magazines. She also watches fashion shows on TV and follows fashion blogs online. She always keeps up with the latest trends. When a new style becomes popular, Emma notices it right away. Her friends often ask her, "Emma, how do you always know what is popular?" Emma smiles and says, "I read, I watch, and I learn. Fashion is my passion." One Saturday morning, Emma goes to the mall with her best friend, Sarah. They walk into a clothing store. Emma's eyes shine when she sees the new dresses on display. She touches the fabric and looks at the colors. "This green dress is perfect for spring," she says. Sarah laughs and replies, "Emma, you really know everything about clothes." Emma tries on the green dress. It fits her well, and she feels happy. "I think this is the new trend for the season," she tells Sarah. Sarah nods. "You look amazing, Emma. You always choose the right style." At the bookstore where Emma works, customers also notice her style. A woman says to her one day, "I like your outfit. Where did you get that jacket?" Emma answers politely, "Thank you. I bought it last month. It is very popular now." The woman smiles and says, "You should be a fashion guide." Emma feels proud. Sometimes Emma helps her friends choose clothes. Before a party, Sarah calls her and says, "Emma, can you help me pick a dress?" Emma goes to Sarah's house and looks through her closet. She says, "Wear the blue dress with silver earrings. It's simple but stylish." At the party, Sarah gets many compliments and she thanks Emma later. Emma's passion for fashion grows every day. She wants to do something bigger with it. At night, she writes in her journal, "One day, I want to study fashion design. I want to create my own clothes. I want people to wear my designs and feel confident." Her parents support her dream. Her mother says, "Emma, you have a good eye for style. If you work hard, you can be successful." Her father adds, "Follow your passion, Emma. We believe in you." Hearing this makes Emma happy and motivated. She decides to take a small step. She starts a fashion blog. On her blog, she writes about new styles, colors, and ideas. She takes photos of her outfits and shares them online. Slowly, people begin to follow her. They leave comments like, "Great style," or "Thank you for the advice." Emma feels proud, but also humble. She knows this is just the beginning. She keeps learning, keeps reading, and keeps creating. One evening, while walking home, Sarah says, "Emma, you are going to be a great fashion designer one day." Emma smiles and replies, "I hope so." Fashion is not just about clothes. It's about expressing who we are. And I want to help people express themselves. Emma's story shows how passion and hard work can open new doors. She may still live in a small town, but her dreams are big, and her love for fashion makes her future bright.